Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to see this problem. What is 60% of 60? We need to find the 60% of the value 60. Now we will see this step by step. 60% of 60 can be written as, this is in the statement form, right? We will just see how to write it. 60% of 60, that is 60 by 100 into 60, right? 60 by 100 into 60. 60 by 100 into 60. This can be solved in two methods, that is cancelling out this. So it gives you 6 cross 6 is 36, or this can be solved by this method, 0.06 into 60, that is equal to 36. Therefore 60% of 60 is 36, right? So this can be solved by these two methods. So do share this to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.